Hello friends, we are headed into Harbor Freight for a good garden deal for us. All you gardeners who want to start season indoors, they do have the shop lights for $19.99, and they have a deal today where you get a free tarp with it, and we can all use tarp to get our potatoes, harvest our potatoes. So here I am at Harbor Freight. Follow me in. The 5x7 blue tarp is free with any purchase. And the bronze 4-foot 5,000 lumen hanging shop light is $19.99 on sale. Oh, hold up, is it the... Okay, it's the bronze 5500 lumen 4-foot light, regular 26, bulk price 24. It's a coupon for $19.99. So I'm going to grab one of these. Coupon for $19.99. Hang this up and it makes for a great grow light for a large space. Okay friends, here we go. I did pick up some USB cables, mass. I tell you, I cannot be trusted in the store, but this is all stuff we needed. And actually USB cables are cheaper than Five Below there. And they look a little bit better, like they'll hold up a little bit better. But the 5500 lumen linkable shop light, I'm going to post the coupons below. This is a 3-day sale. I think it lasts until like the 4th or the 5th of this month of April 2022. But this 5500 lumen shop light, regular $26.99, on sale for $19.99, and that is a good grow light for you. Also, you get a free tarp. That is a 3-day only coupon for $0. So of course that would have been 20 bucks for the both items had I not bought other stuff. But I hope you catch this deal. If you're in need of a grow light for indoors, this will be perfect. And thank you for watching. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and I will be posting more garden essential deals if you do watch my channel. But you see, as you can see, this is only a 3-day deal, maybe 5 at the most, and you gotta be subscribe and hit that ring that bell so you can catch them while they last. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Hello, let me just add that here's the dates for the Spring Black Friday sale. So this is, some of this stuff is part of that. And they have a lot of, a few extra items that might interest you. There is the 100-foot contractor water hose for $29.99. I also use Harbor Freight for zip ties. That is a good source for zip ties, and you know we use those in the garden. They're cheaper than the Dollar Tree because you get a bulk pack and not the smaller packs that the Dollar Tree offers. And the 100 pack of 11-inch zip ties are $1.99. The tarps are on sale for $2.94 for the 7 by 9 foot tarps. So in case you do need extras. But we also have the garden sprayer on sale for $19.99. So these are all things that we need in the garden, especially if you have a larger garden. So just wanted to show you those few other things. Get on over to Harbor Freight. Don't count them out for your garden needs. And thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Grow some food. Everyone, please plant a seed and grow some food. Bye-bye.